Here I am, guys, still live from Moscow Yacht Show. Just behind me I have the stand of the North boat. North boat is presenting actually 4 models. Look at that. The Bluey is a 750 cabin cruiser. Then we have the 760 Quest. So it looks pretty much the same. Probably it's got different features. Then we have this other one, which seems to be the same size. I cannot see because the yacht show is actually crowded, so there are people just in front of me. And their peak model is probably this Artic 35. You can see a big V-hull shaped aluminium structure. Look at that. It's actually a big boat. It's about 35 foot. Now I'm gonna come up and check it out. As many other models, they love the graphics and they're dedicated to fishing. But look at actually the porthole. Look at that. You actually can see the cabin. So this is actually a little cruiser. Look at the structure. It is a big yacht. Look at that, 35 commuter Artic. It's got a radar, Raymarine radar. It looks massive and it's big. There is a bunch of people inside. It's got a Volvo Penta D6370 double engine. The back deck is equipment with a full fishing setup, strong handrails, a couple of benches just by the stern with a tight compartment. Oh, actually some spare propeller, actually 4 propellers spare. While I'm waiting the other people to leave the boat, we just go to the bow. Let's check it out. Well, this is actually quite roomy, you know. It's comfortable to go in to the bow. It's quite big. Big at the top. Windshield, strong windshield. Well, it is quite unusual. You've never seen it before. There is not a teak deck. Well, it looks like a teak, but it's not like a usual teak we all know this. It's just slightly different. Well, underneath probably there is a anchor locker. Let's see. Anchor locker is quite big. There is a little water inside. Well, I'm surprised that this big boat have just this little chain and a little, windlass. Look at that. Oh, probably something that you can order in another moment. Probably on this part, there is an anti-skid. You can probably set up your cushion if you want it. If you're using like a daily cruiser with a family. Model, as you can see, is the Commuter 35. It's got a rubber fender just all around, very tough. Actually, look at that. Actually, North boat build Quite interesting boats. Look at that. They're not the top stylish, but they look handy. Big room, big living room. Little dark. Well, it's a full cruiser. This is a full cruiser. You got a oven, a sink, probably you got a stove, just some lockers. It's pretty roomy inside. Downstairs. Wow, we have this very spacious bed, probably for two, with plenty of porthole for ventilation. You get an overhead hatch, and you got probably a toilet. So, well, the toilet is quite roomy. With a shower is a wet toilet, let's say. So, but anyway, you know, for a boat of this size, with this kind of configuration, with a big galley, with a big saloon area, there's not much you can pretend. Anyway, we got a lot of other lockers, a small TV screen, and that's it for the inside. Plenty of windows, a sliding door for which is pretty good. Actually, this model is a little bit overcrowded. Oh, look at that. Gas throat for actually opening up, hydraulic for lifting up the hatches for the engine room, which is always good because it comes very handy because they're very, very heavy. But look at that. Actually, you got another cabin. We didn't notice it. A little bedroom, actually full beam. Look at that. Can accommodate it, even 3-4 people. It's a full beam bedroom. It's not bad, considering it's just 35 foot with 2 cabin. This one pretty room. The gauges, battery, and the water tank just are here, which is strange. Doom tech. You have the stove. Sorry. Huge touch screen for all the domotics. Oh, look at that. The seat is very, very, very comfortable. Look at that. Nice one. Okay, let's have a look about this 760. Still the Nord boat. Configuration of the table is done well, it's not on purpose. Probably you can do a little bit, so but anyway, you know, probably it's got a gas throat, so probably can drop it down and have a little sunbed. And the inside is tiny, but still got a room for seating 2 people, even 3 or 4 if squeezing a little bit. You got a ice maker or so, just tiny for a little cruise. Got a sink. I cannot see the kitchen stove, probably there is not. The console seat is on synthetic fiber. You can accommodate another couple of people in here while navigating, and you got a little bed for probably two, and little marino toilet with a shower probably. I cannot see the pipe, but anyway, no chance for that. Oh, good morning. Excuse me. This little yacht, it's got actually the full gear for using the boat just by the stern, especially if maybe you go fishing or so. It's pretty handy. Actually, walk just on the side is comfortable. You go on rails. You got well, I don't know, just never seen that much sharp angle on a hatch for a boat, but hopefully it's not gonna make any issues. But anyway, it's gonna make much sunlight in the inside and fresh air. Once again, it is a little tiny, but still an interesting little boat. We have the Antares here, the other one. Oh, I know, wrong angle, wrong place. Oh. So that's it for today, guys. The boat show seems to be about to closing, and from the stand of the Parked motorboat made in Poland, I would like just to thank you for watching, and for the new subscriber, very much appreciate your comments and everything.